In this video, we'll finish preparing the SSTC donor engine. If you have a different engine, skip this video. The MAF sensor wires need to be relocated. Start by carefully cutting 5 inches of the tape starting at the MAF sensor junction. Pull the MAF sensor wires from the bundle as shown. Wrap these wires in electrical tape. Then wrap the rest of the harness. Lift the boost control solenoid off of its mount. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 2 bolts in the mount. Flip the mount and slide it into the solenoid before reattaching it to the manifold. Remove the hose from the Evap solenoid. Disconnect the Evap solenoid connector. Install the front solid transmission mount with bolts and washers from the N23C baggie. Use a 19mm socket to torque the bolts to 44 foot-pounds. To clean up the engine harness, you can cut and remove the original radiator fan wires. You can do the same for the other fan wires and the AC wires. Do not cut the MAP sensor wires. If you bought Stage 2 with Stage 1, you can install the intercooler water pump. If not, you will install it later. Use a 5mm Allen to install the intercooler pump mount plate from the L22i baggie. This will be in your Stage 2 SSTC hardware box. Next, use a 1/8 inch Allen to install the pump mount bracket and T-bolt clamp. Slide the water pump into the T-bolt clamp and tighten with an 11mm.